Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple stir-fry lala or clam with basil leaf. So I have 1 kilo of lala, wash and clean. You can look out on how to wash and clean the lala on my other video. I will share the link down below this video as well. And if you have noticed, I have put a block of ice here after I washed the lala. This is just to keep it fresh until I finish preparing all the ingredients. Then we still keep a fresh lala. So the other ingredients, I have 100 grams of sweet basil, 8 cloves of garlic, I crush it, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 7 pieces of red bird eye chili, and 2 pieces of red chili. Since all the ingredients are prepared, I'm going to quickly cut up the chili, then we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, put in the garlic, for the bird eye chili, I cut it into half, put it in. We're gonna fry the garlic and chili for about 2 minutes. Alright, we fried the garlic and the chili for about 2 minutes. It doesn't matter, we don't need to cook it until crispy. I'm going to switch off the heat and remove it from the pan first. Okay, I remove some and I leave some in the pan. So I'm going to switch on the heat again. And this time we're going to put in the lala. We have drained out all the water, so we're going to put it in. Put in salt, sugar, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and give it a stir. The red chili, we have cut it into small pieces, so I'm going to put all in. Cover the lid for about 2 minutes until the lala is cooked. The shell all will open up. It will take about 2 minutes. See, after 1 minute, we need to give it a stir so that allow the room for the lala to open up. It's about 2 minutes and the lala have opened up all, so I'm going to give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, if you want to add in some more seasoning, you can do so. But for this one, it's perfect. It's very delicious. So I'm going to put in the basil leaf. Give it a stir. Alright, basil leaf doesn't require to cook too long, so I'm going to switch off the heat. And now we're going to pull back the garlic and the chili. Just give it a mix again. That is ready. Very simple stir-fry lala with basil leaf. Take this. Some of the lala fell off onto this shell, so I'm going to eat both of them. Wow, so delicious. The lala is very fresh and very meaty, a bit of spicy and nice fragrance of the basil leaf. It's very delicious, appetizing, and make me want to eat some more. This is really simple and delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.